In this video, we will show you how our team created a dropshipping store that earns over $1.5 million. Watch this video till the end to find out how you can also reach this success. Hi everyone, my name is Alicia. Welcome to the Ali Dropship channel, where we teach people how to start and run a dropshipping business. With the Ali Dropship plugin, you can build your own dropshipping website and make money by selling goods from AliExpress. In this video, we are going to tell you about our most successful website, the Automerge. It makes more than $100,000 per month in revenue, which is astounding. And we believe that you can achieve such results too. Just follow our 5 steps. Let's learn how to make over $1.5 million a year. Tip number 1. Sell products that people see as really useful. There are actually 2 kinds of dropshipping products that sell really well. The first step is goods that have a strong emotional value. It's usually stuff that is cute or cool. As long as these goods are affordable, they can trigger impulse purchases. But for our store that makes almost $2 million a year, we choose another product type. Most of its inventory consists of car accessories that make driving more comfortable or help keep the car clean. Here we have car seat organizers, cleaning and repair tools, USB chargers, and more. As you can see, this stuff is really useful. Why is this important? When a product is useful, it's really easy to advertise. You don't need picturesque descriptions or convincing promises. Simply show potential customers what a product does, and that's it. Advertising useful goods feels natural and honest. That's a huge advantage. Tip number 2. Sell products that complement each other. Here's another tip on how to make more than $1.5 million a year. In dropshipping, most traffic usually comes from advertising. Our team uses Facebook and Instagram to attract customers, but there are other platforms you can use. In any case, converting a random social media user into a buyer costs money. Sometimes the price is even higher than what your product costs. That's why you need to convince site visitors to buy more. When people visit your store to buy the product you advertise, you can and should make them buy a number of other goods. It will increase the average order value of your store. A good way to do it is to offer complimentary goods. Let's imagine a client wants to buy a cleaning gel. It's great for cleaning intricate spaces, but it's hardly be useful for windows. That's when you can offer a hose sprayer. And since it came to this, the client could also be interested in this eye scraper. A person who wants to keep his or her car clean will probably need all these products. As a result, you can sell more products for the same conversion cost. Tip number 3. Find products which can be sold in quantities. Another way to raise the average order value of your store is to encourage customers to buy more products of the same kind. In most cases, people are happy with just one product, but there are goods which people often buy in quantities. Take a look at these headrest pillows. A car usually has 4 seats, right? That's why customers often order several of these. Remember, there are tons of other goods people often buy as gifts for relatives and friends, so keep your creativity open. Tip number 4. Create tempting deals. Okay, now you have a wide range of useful products, but you still need to convince customers that buying more than one product is worth it. To do this, offer favorable deals. Create product bundles or sets that customers can purchase at a discount, or offer discounts when shoppers buy several products of the same kind. And don't forget that when people see limited time offers, they tend to make decisions faster. Here's one of the products on our website. Notice how customers can order 2 different types of car seat organizers, but if they buy both, they will be offered a discount. How do you create product pages with such deals on your site? If you are an Ali Dropship plugin user, check out our Ali Dropship add-ons. These enhancements boost the plugin's functionality and allow you to create bulk discounts, bundles, and free offers. These are all the things to make your visitors buy more. Follow the link to see all our add-ons. Tip number 5. Don't let your product pages ruin all the work. Here's our last tip on how to make over $1.5 million a year. Don't ruin your product pages. If your ads are successful, people will start visiting your product pages. But if your pages are poorly designed, scarce of information, and unappealing, they can actually scare away your potential customers. Here's how you can avoid this disaster. First, outfit each product page with high-quality images, unique and detailed product descriptions, and all the information about prices and shipping options. Make everything clear and easy to spot. It's also a good idea to provide descriptions with GIFs or videos if you can. The more visual something is, the better. Second, make sure your product pages have customer reviews with real photos. This is the best proof that your goods are worth buying. Third, optimize the loading speed of your product pages. If customers have to wait for at least 10 seconds, they will leave the site. And that's it! There were our 5 tips on how to make over $1.5 million a year with a dropshipping store. We have tried many marketing strategies, but this strategy has worked best, helping us rank the Automerch as one of our top performing stores to date. But what's even better, instead of creating your own online shop from scratch, you can buy a copy of the Automerch store from us as one of our Ali Dropship Premium stores. Every tip we discussed in this video is applied to these stores already. You can just benefit from our experience and start earning money faster. Watch this video for more details. Our Ali Dropship Premium stores allow you to skip the tiresome phase of finding the best products and the best ads. Just get a ready-to-go store that can generate you profit with targeting traffic from Facebook, all set and tested by our expert team. Check out the links in the description for more information. Got questions? Ask us in the comments. I will do my best to answer them, and feel free to offer ideas for the next video or tell us what you'd like to see more of. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and bye!